Aloha. Honored guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tomesina Resort and the second Synod Fashion Show in Samoa for 2017. How about you give yourselves a round of applause for making it here tonight. It is great to have your presence here to witness 9 designers who have worked very hard to come up with the beautiful designs that you'll be witnessing tonight. Also the makeup artists, the hair designers, the hairdressers, everybody that's working backstage to entertain you with the latest designs from the young and aspiring designers of Samoa. Ladies and gentlemen, do not expect perfection, but expect beauty on display tonight. The various designers have been working together with our managing director, to bring the second Samoa Synod Fashion Show right here at Tomesina Resort. So, I think we've had our pre-show early in the evening. I'd like to thank Mayava and also the young ladies that have performed for our guests this evening. But right tonight, it is just less talk and more catwalk, models on the catwalk. We will be hoping that you will enjoy tonight. Without further ado, I'd like to introduce the Managing Director of the Samoa Synod Fashion Show 2017, Ms. Enid Westerlin.
Guest seat next to her nephews, got flowers on them, and we offer prayer for her. And I hope she's watching the best fashion shows in heaven, front row. I'd like to thank Sina, Malitua, who has spent countless hours, overtime hours helping. So thank you. To our team, Ursula, Cecilia, Langi, Mayava, Mona, Delia, and all our volunteers. And special thanks to my Aliki and Westerland family who supported me from day one. Pastor Bernie, who is also our DJ. And thank you to my church family of Worship Center, my parents, siblings, and especially my new husband, Dr. Sahar, for the uploading. Thank you again, and I won't bore you with a long speech, and I hope you enjoy the show. With this, I declare Senate second year open.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The determined, the very strong, intelligent managing director of the Samoa Senate Fashion Show in Samoa, Enid Westerland. How about you give her a round of applause for her beautiful efforts in making tonight happen. We do thank you again for your presence. But as Enid was addressing everyone tonight, there was a countdown on our screen behind me. And that countdown means that this fashion show, for the first time, is now streaming live, not just in Samoa, but around the world. Compliments of Samoa Media and TV3, who are also working together, like our managing director has said. Senate is weaving people together to make things happen, and the media, technology, art, creativity, and everything has been woven tonight to make this event happen. So thank you once again to all the sponsors and everyone that has supported Enid and the team to make tonight happen. But without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we present the first 4 designers of tonight. Let's hit some more music and let the show begin.
That's my girl.
Presenting Sayano.
From head to toe. Ain't nothing, all my ladies round the world. Ain't nothing, all girls better get fed. You've been down before, you've been hurt before, you got up before. You'll be good to go, good to go. Destiny said that you gotta get up and get mad independent, don't you ever forget. Got some dirt on your shoulder that made me brush it off for ya. That's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. What you waiting for? That's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. Not if you've been played by every bull just trying to show you off. He was the best you ever had until he cut you off. Ain't nothing that you know you're worth. Ain't nothing, all girls better get fed. You've been down before, you've been hurt before, you got up before. You'll be good to go, good to go. Destiny said that you gotta get up and get mad independent, don't you ever forget. Got some dirt in your shoulder that made me brush it off. That's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. What you waiting for? That's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. You've been down before. You've been hurt before. You got up before. You'll be good to go. Good to go. Destiny said that you gotta get up and get it. Get mad independent and don't you ever forget it. Got some dirt on your shoulder, let me brush it off for you. If you feeling me, put your 5 high. That's my girl. That's my girl.
presenting Diano. The collection name you are witnessing tonight is called Metro Polynesia.
That's my girl.
Please put your heads together and welcome Hans Wishi and Elvis Meredith, the designers of Diano, the perfect fit. So Alpha Peloyatia Hans Wishi, my Elvis Meredith. La un fantasia, la eu so my mon wina ne apiapi. Eu ta o Metro Polynesia. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy the collection from Naumati.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. See what I mean, girl. With the bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With the bang bang. Just you and just you and with the bang bang. Me and you, girl, you and me. Tap it to the floor and make me see your energy because me not play no hide and seek. Obviously the thing you ever make me feel way, girl. Free. Why anytime me whine and catch it, this selector pull it up and put it for repeat, girl. Me not touch a dollar in my pocket, 'cause nothing in this world ain't more than what's worth. You want more than diamond, more than gold. Make the beat just take control. You want more than diamond, more than gold. We have to get out of control.
Presenting once more the Naumati collection.
Just you and just you and
And the name behind the brand, ladies and gentlemen, presenting Pamatwainu Amosa Po'oa and her good lady, Sarah Po'oa, and their lovely daughter. You can find Naumati at Saleufi, right next to the petrol station there, if you're looking for design to wear.
With a bang bang. Me and you, girl, you and me. Tap it to the floor and make me see your energy because me not play no hide and seek. What is it the thing you
Oya
want
sa
to make me
kamalo
feel weak,
makasaya
girl?
pa matwain wa mo sa powo, masara powo, iman no kuhalo. Kaya masa mo feel to may moy na niyap-yap.
You want more than diamond, more than gold. Make the beat just take control. You want more than diamond, more than
Well, the night is still young, ladies and gentlemen, and we have our third designer coming up, presenting Maunga Louie.
Do you recall not long ago when you would walk on the sidewalk? Innocent, remember, all we did was care for each other. But the night was warm, we were bold and young. All around, the wind blows, we would only hold on to let go. Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. What will we do when we get old? Will we walk down the same road? Will you be there by my side, standing strong as the waves roll over? And the nights are long, longing for you to come home. All around, the wind blows, we would only hold on to let go. Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. All we need is somebody to lean on. All we need is somebody to lean Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting once more Maunga Louie.
What will we do when we get old? Will we walk down the same road? Will you be there by my side, standing strong as the waves roll over? And the nights are long,
And of course, the brains behind Maunga Louie collection.
around the wind
Proud to present to you Minto Louie and Precious Tang.
Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. All we need is somebody to lean on.
applause for our models there. Rayma, Sophia, Louisa, Prima, Anastasia, Juliana, Caroline P, Miracle, Chidozi, and all the previous models. Nija, Maureen, Carmeli, Teresa, Yuki, Mariana, Anastasia, Nesepa, Fale, Fitzpatrick. And the models for Tayano were Priscilla, Shushu Cosario, Jenny Malina, Danielle, Maava, Barbara, Ati Sophia, Anika, Howard, and Alex. Thank you, ladies. I think you've been well trained over the previous week. Well done to you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to present to you our next designer, Ellie's LA and her collection, Ima's collection.
Give me the way that I like it. Everybody outside when the night ends. We can do it all again when the sun's up. You know I really wanna be dirty whining. You know you really wanna give me your love. Give me that love. Give me that love. I'ma love you long time. So you want my body go crazy. Gotta give me that love. Give me that love. Give me that love. Give me that love.
Gentlemen, on Ellie's LA collection name, Ima's collection. And presenting the designer behind Ellie's LA, Miss Yaeli Sofia Leota. Sito out, ipatpatia tampay nga timata Yaeli Sofia Leota. Yamalana tampay nga po ila Ima's collection. Hello, Fabtag.
We can do it the way I like it.
ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful, huh? Well, later on in the evening, we will get to chat face-to-face with some of our designers from tonight. Discuss with them some of your orders if you'd like to take them overseas. For those who are visiting from overseas, would you please raise your hand or give yourself a clap if you're visiting from overseas. Welcome to Samoa. I hope you can spread the word of the beautiful designers that are performing in Samoa. Some of these designers have also got full-time jobs, and they seem to be working 24 hours to bring up the best designs that you are also, some of you are also wearing this evening. So thank you for supporting our designers once more. But you know, one of these events are not cheap to come by. Our managing director and the team have been working very hard to collect the sponsors and find the funding to help make tonight happen. So I think tonight we also dedicate to all the companies that have come on board. And if you can give me a minute, I will list them all. And you can see them behind the screen. Thank you very much. But this is going out to our live streaming. That's compliments of Samoa Media and also TV3. So thank you to our sponsors, Messina, of course, who have kindly offered this beautiful venue. Quite a popular one at that these days. Thank you for offering the venue for tonight's event. Samoa Media, of course, TV3 Samoa, Bluebird Lumber and Hardware, PSP Bank, Bluebird Hardware, I repeated that one, Digicel, Marfleet Printing. Yes, and where's SAP? Do we have supporters for SAP here tonight? All right, Travelers Point Hotel. All right, Pacifica Inn. Do we have the owners of Pacifica Inn in-house? Welcome. And of course, we also like to thank the Vice Chancellor of the National University of Samoa. In the previous weeks, they've allowed their Samoan Pale for Enid and the team to provide workshops for the 300 plus models that we've been training in the past since last year, and we've had the group that has been training this year, and it requires a lot of commitment, a lot of time from our models and the parents, of course, to drive them up there and back to their homes to try and attend these trainings, and I think it's been worthwhile. The fruit of that you are witnessing tonight, so thank you again to US. Breeze Harwich, BSL, JM Gardens, Strickland Brothers, Curry House, Enara, Samoa Worship Center, Jackie's Beauty Creations, EMZ Hair Studio, Yata Salon, and of course, Mercy Shop. Please, they deserve a round of applause. And now, round two of the second Samoa City Fashion Show, presenting Judy and Jip of Philippine Soul. Presenting once more, ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine Soul Collection for tonight. For any occasion, whether it's a wedding, collection for the bridesmaid, a tuxedo for the groom. You can find Philippine Soul to sew it all for you. And the beautiful young ladies and designers of Philippine Soul, ladies and gentlemen, Judy and Jip. You can find Philippine Soul at Lotto Park, upstairs, the building opposite the Maris Field, rugby field. Very proud to have Philippine Soul, one of our international designers, grace the Samoa Synod Fashion Show 2017. I'd also like to thank our models for Philippine Soul, Anika, Jemima Lena, Luma Ava, Atito Finga, Carameli, Danielle, Shah, Victory, and Paul. And now, ladies and gentlemen, presenting our next collection, Ivy. You'll be witnessing soon this new collection. It's called Flower Power, compliments of Ivy Poching. May I remind you, ladies and gentlemen, that this event, the second Samoa Synod Fashion Show 2017, is streaming live. Compliments of Talamore Media and TV3 Samoa, who are working tonight to film this. You can also watch it on TV3 come Sunday evening. But right now, our viewers from around the world can witness and can watch this along with us tonight. You will see the link on our screen. It's youtube.com/c/talamoreinfo/live. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a round of applause for Talamore Media and TV3 and live streaming. Very soon, ladies and gentlemen, we will be presenting our next designs from Ivy. And I also like to advise you that after tonight's event, we have an after party. Who is willing to party after tonight? You don't want to see me. You only want to hear my voice. So I'll be talking from behind the screen. So our after party will be held at the Vasa Sunset venue. It's on the beach just outside the pool area. So you can make your way there after the night. There are some small costs involved. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, if you're wanting a drink, you're thirsty after watching all that beautiful design and selection right there, we have a bar on my right there, just behind our guests here on the right side. We have a small bar there, and also just outside we have some refreshments out there for a small price of 15 tala for meals and 5 tala for drinks and beverages. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together, presenting Ivy. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. A taste of flower power from Ivy. How about a round of applause for our beautiful models, Suliana, Miracle, Sophia, Anastasia, Caroline, Rayma, Louise, Margaret, Savita, and Caleb, and our very own designer, Ivy Poaching. Take note, ladies and gentlemen, of the designs and also the beautiful designer. You will get to talk to her after this show. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting our next designer and their collection, Mask.
To be free, I just wanted you to know.
Man, it's way too late, it's way too late, it's way too late, you can't fuck with us. To the left, to the right, I want to see everybody hands in the air like this.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, your hands together for Mask and its collection. Amazing designs. Beautiful.
To the left, to the right. I want to see everybody hands in the air like this.
And the names behind the brand, ladies and gentlemen, Sam and Katarina Samau.
Let me see your middle finger in the air. Let me see you act up in the small. How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? And it's my goddamn. One thing you can't do is stop us now.
Malo faftai ya Sam Katarina Samau ya male. Tupati singa ola umfayon nukto muli mawina le ya fiafi.
It's way too late. It's way too late. You can't fuck with us. To the left, to the right. I want to see everybody hands in the air like this.
Thank you to our models, Maggie, Teresa R, Silly, Fila, Anastasia, Justin, Tua, Shah, Victory, and Howard. Please, a round of applause for all our beautiful models and presenting the various designs you are witnessing tonight.
How you feeling right now? Let me see you, ladies.
We do have a couple more collections to present to you, ladies and gentlemen, but
Let me see your middle finger.
it goes without mention that we have to acknowledge some of the people behind the scenes. They are very shy, but they're very beautiful in what they do. So, thank you to Jordan Photography, Laume Photography, Chikawa Yoshida Photography, Moana Nu Photography, Tony Toala. All the photos that you see on social media, print media, TV, and everywhere you see the second Samoa Cine Fashion Show 2017 and the photos, those are the people behind it. For makeup artists, we have Jackie's Beauty Creations, EMZ Hair Studio, Theatre Salon, and Vanity Inc. Please, a round of applause for all our hair and makeup artists and also volunteers, and not forgetting our photographers for this year's fashion show. In the weeks leading up to this year's fashion show, ladies and gentlemen, we did also hold a baby's photo competition. And we had close to 1,000 entries into this year's baby photo competition winner. And the idea was to present a baby's photo from 6 months to 3 years with a caption relating to creative arts. And these are some of our finalists. Aren't they cute? Please clap for them. They're smiling for you on screen. These are just a few of the photos, but if you go onto the Cine Fashion Show Facebook page, you will see hundreds of these beautiful youngsters of our community that have actually taken the time to take these beautiful photos and post them onto our Facebook page. And then we have the winner for this year. We have presented with them with a beautiful bouquet. Our winner is Athena Ciele Angelia Sila. And she is our winner for this year's baby photo competition. I think we should have more of this in our community and show the beauty of our little ones. All right, and we're ready for our next collection. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Enara. Ladies and gentlemen, please do not just stare. Put your hands together and welcome the collection from Inara.
I can't even begin to start. I realize I'm not the only man that ever made love to you. But I'm the only man that knows how to keep you. Okay, baby. Your body's mine, I believe you.
And presenting the designer of Inara and also the managing director of the Samoa Synod Fashion Show 2017, Enid Westerland and her nieces Arabella and Holly. Thank you, Enid, and your young future models. Also thanking our beautiful models, Danielle, Tuju Cosario, Savita, Anika, Mariana, Atito Finga, Alex, Kayla, Jemima Lina, and Luma Ava.
I can't even begin.
The Savior alone.
I know you're wanting more, ladies and gentlemen, so without further ado, presenting Ivana Couture.
star. I realize I'm not the only man that
Presenting once more the embellished collection, ladies and gentlemen. Compliments of Ivana Couture.
Okay, baby. Your body's mine, I believe you.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Priscilla Ale and Havana and Jetty, the beautiful designer behind Ivana. Got a full-time mom, a full-time designer. You name it, ladies and gentlemen, we have it here on the second Samoa Synod Fashion Show 2017. Thank you, Priscilla Ale and your little helpers. And also to our lovely models, Sophia, Niger, Barbara, Caroline, Caramelli, Margaret, Yuki, Maureen, and Chadosi.
There's so many places I want to kiss you, baby. I can't even begin.
Waiting for the time to pass you by. Hope the winds of change will
Moments
change
like
your
this,
mind.
ladies and gentlemen, it is very hard to comprehend the beauty that is the designers. They have actually taken so much time to put everything together. Even this beautiful dress from Philippine Sew and the one that I wore earlier. Thank you, Nomati, for providing the wardrobe. Otherwise, that's all I can afford for now. But I'll take my husband, Justin Park, and my children to negotiate with those designers backstage after the show. But I'm pretty sure they will offer you a very good price for any of the designs, the beautiful and amazing designs that you have witnessed tonight, ladies and gentlemen. What do you think? Shall we give them another round of applause? Yes, I think so too. And I think before you know it, we're coming to the end of our show. We promised about 40 minutes worth of spectacular designs. I think it's a lot shorter than that, but we'd like to present you the finale, ladies and gentlemen. But before we do that, the theme color, as our managing director had stated earlier, it's the color purple, and is dedicated to the artists with disabilities. And I'd like to acknowledge the presence of the Deputy Chairman of Loto Tamawhai, Mr. and Mrs. Talapusi. If you're here, can you please give them a round of applause? Thank you for your presence tonight, along with our Principal of Loto Tamawhai. Thank you. Langi Natalielu. Thank you for accepting our Managing Director's approach to empower the children with disability, but who have the gift to design and to create something beautiful. Mole sila fia le malo tato atinu o nisi o tato designer se pele mole mawina le nea fiaki o nisi o lau papa po o la mamanu. So mole mawina nisi o la e ia tava pena o na poa i mai lea ma nganu e whaatasi ai maalo ma whanau lo iai mana o nga whaapitoa i la o nga lea le loto tamawhai. Ia te kuwhatasi o tau ampat katia i le tamawhai ngā Mr. and Mrs. Talapusi ia mai sila nao langi Natanielu. Mo lea o kawina fo i o alo ma whanau lo iai mana o nga whaapitoa. Alo ni nga mana o nga whaapitoa o nga alofa mai lea tua. Ia o lewa ngā lue ma wa alofa atasi ma nisi fo i waiele to mai. Ia te whaatasia tato la e lo whapena tato sangi ai le nea fiafi. O la tawa lunga le tato whamoe le nei po. E titi lava a ta toro ma ini ia tamawhai ngā tato designers e toa iwa i la tau whai ona ngā lue whaatasi ma Synod Fashion Show le nei tau sanga. Ia tingatu ia Visio Designs. Ia e le ngata i lea a toro tau sanga poe o ati ai wo a tau se lua se puro i la tau. Ia mawhai ona la tau tu whaatasia nisi o la e mangta ngō fie. Ia matu i nātu maketi atu mamau. Kei la tolo fia fia. La e ina la e Samoa. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, our finale for tonight, presenting the Royal Summer Collection from all our designers in Samoa.
So many things, gave up so many dreams. You and me were so tight. You know I never gave up on love. Still losing sleep on us. What if we just made it right? Baby, just say you want love. Say you want us. Say you want that old thing back. Oh, say you want love. Say you want us. Say you want that old thing back. Oh. So many things, gave up so many dreams. You and me were so tight. You know I never gave up on love. Still losing sleep on us. What if we just made it right? Baby, just say you want love. Say you want us. Say you want that old thing back. Oh, say you want love. Say you want us. Say you want that old thing back. Oh.
My friend, what have you done to me? They've been watching me hurting, falling on my knees. I've been fighting. Don't ask me
I think
why.
I'd like to see that collection once more. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Royal Summer Collection.
Somebody to save me, save me. It's somebody to save me, save me. Could you save us? I need faith.
put your hands together for Tahiano. How about another round of applause for Naumati Collection? Alola Faftai Pamatuainu Amosa Po'oa, Masara Po'oa. Kasi Fafelo Iatu, ya Precious Chang, Maminto Lui, o Maunga Lui. Another look at Ellie's LA. Compliments of Mrs. Yaeli Tovia Leota.
My friend, what have you done to me? They've been watching me hurting, falling on my knees. I've been fighting. Don't ask me why. Don't make me lie. I didn't wanna hide. Didn't wanna hide.
Some of our hard-working designers, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Judy and Jip of Philippine Soul. Thank you, Yaeli. On top of designing the collections you witness here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, every other day, they're also busy meeting the demands of all the orders that are coming through. And here we have it, Miss Ivy Poching. Hello, Lava Ivy. Thank you, Judy. Thank you, Jib. Thank you, Ivy. And welcome back on stage, Mask, the designers Sam and Katarina Samao. Yes, if I feel like you let my tie or fatum studio tato fashion show neto sanga to my tie in it. Ya Masiana Manamea, ya Areta Samuelu. Malo Faftai. Last but not the least, for sure, is Priscilla Ale and her little helpers of Ivana Couture. Alofa tight. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Royal Summer Collection from all our 9 designers displayed here tonight. Did you enjoy that collection? Will you be buying some of the collection? Yes, please. I just wanted to read out some of the comments from around the world. Some of those who have been witnessing our live streaming for tonight. They send a big whamalo to all the people of Samoa, especially the designers who have been working hard to put this together, along with our managing director of the Samoa Synod Fashion Show 2017. Some of the comments: Sekia Samoa. We had someone say greetings from the Kingdom of Tonga and from Britain, and some comments also to improve our live streaming from tonight. And thankfully we have our experts of Tullamore Media and TV3 who were able to rectify it earlier on in the show. Proud of you, Elvis. That is of Tayano Designs. Kaisile Orange. Okay, that was one of the designs. So, and some of them, big whamalo to all our designers, basically. So, let's give a round of applause from the supporters around the world. Okay, you can take back your nice high-tech tablet that I don't know how to use. But thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I think that brings to the end our event for tonight. I do sincerely hope that you enjoyed it, every minute of it. Every 50 minutes of that show was brought to you compliments of Samoa Synod Fashion Show, the very able team behind stage, the makeup artists, the hairdressers, the photographers, the designers, everyone, and also our media crew. Thank you to all the media that have been covering this event leading up to tonight. We do really appreciate your support and also coming together to weave this synod that is Synod Samoa Fashion Show for tonight. Ia ua tawalunga ina le tatou whaamoemole nei po. Ave ia ue whai masui o le tamaitai po le whaatansili o le tatou whaalinga o le nei apiapi o le tausanga lona lua le nei o le nei whaamoemoe. Ia vi ia le li umwhai o na aulia mai ia la social fua masumato wola. Ia le awale tamu whainga o whaamoemoe whaapenei, ele whainga o fie, ele tau o fie koi, ia ono le taulang lango sua mo le tau awai mai le nei po, ia ua mawalunga ai le whaamoemoe ma ua avea foi lema whaamalo si au le tamaitai ia Inet ma Reta Samuelu, ele ngatei nā o lātou uma wa ta ua designers i tono le atinu o lātou ua whaamautuina o designers, o lātou o la whaiae o designers, o lātou le a whaamoemoe e vema designers i tono le atinu ono o whaamoemoe whaapenei. Yeah, mana o mia lava le tau lang sua. Tele le au accountants, tele le au security, tele le au o mai na vai na kapena. Ai atono se vai na phone le tono tatu o tunu o le whaalinga o la e. Ia ma tusinga fo i o la e na tulanga kapena o lo tau ati ia e tono la tunu. Ia wa fo le tupulanga whai ia e o lo sau sa ili po a la tau ngaluengo la whai e lumanai. Ia ave ia le nei ava noe mamole atu le wha malo ma le wha aftai. Whaale lava le tau lango sua. Tau sia ia le alofo le le tua le tau sang pou. Tato toi whenua i fo i nei i le tau me tina pe a whaawau pea ia le lango sua le tau me tina. Le whaafo i le tato Synod Fashion Show o le tau sanga lua a fese kima valu. Whamalo atu o tato o Tautani o lango sua. La tau umalava whapena na whaafo i le tato whamemoe i tato walawatuai i le tato sunga whapengainga ia se i whaewina tato Matane le li, pai i le li tato whamemoe. Ia le tau amiati a ina, o i le po, ia mente le sauniati le tapati a whaiau. Ia ole malo lo uen whapisi a na ina whaareka i tuati le tato swimming pool. Ia o lo walaudia o mai tato kipi ai. Ia se whaingi po ho nisi po i la in tato wengawina le nei po. Ia o ai o nisi o kamaitai po a ni ina moro lasi nina o kwele i whakamani nai o tau kina ngalo. Ia o awaenga umane e taun tato sa sangoa e lia fiafi tuatu o pale ia na pale ne ia tato tato show mo le tau sa. But that is the wrap for our show. I'd like to call upon Pastor to please end our show with a short prayer. So far,